Looking at Tron here, TRX. So it's still bullish, is above this moving average. Was looking for a possible trade to 7 cents here, but never played out. It did come retest this zone, but was just too bullish, and then ended up just breaking through it. So no trade on that, but it did look like it was setting up nice. So unfortunately, it didn't play out. But so it is still bullish, but you can see we'll move this zone here. You can see it is hitting a upper support level. So you know, it might potentially be selling off now, but again, still too much bullish momentum going into the zone, so you'd have to wait for it to die off. But it is retesting this moving average. You can just see that it's got higher highs, higher lows on this 4-hour time frame. So you need price to break below this area, and then that'll tell us that it actually wants to go down. Oops. Because for right now, we don't know what it wants to do. So it's going to have to break this area, and then obviously it'd be quite a bit more below this 4-hour moving average, and then at that point it would be below this 1-hour moving average as well. So that would give us more of a better idea of when to short this, and then probably just short it right down to this area. I don't think I'd go right down to 7 cents. It just there's a chance that it gets bought up before that. So I think with the dollar index pushing up, it's going to continue to lower these cryptocurrencies. But we're looking at something like this, targeting the bottom of this zone, keeping our stop above this previous area, and then yeah, just letting our entry set up. So again, we need price to break this zone. If it doesn't break this zone, then there's no entry. It's got to break this zone and then retest and hold below it. Because yeah, if it doesn't do that, then we don't want it. We want to make sure that it's actually going to go down, and then this is probably how it's going to end the month. Probably nothing too exciting to end the month, and then it'll be sort of next month, something like this something that like this next month, something that we're looking at taking place. So yeah, that's Tron. I think I mean, it is still technically bullish. It's above this moving average, but I just think that all these cryptocurrencies are heading bearish. You can see price was up here, came down, found this area, broke lower, retesting this area. So I mean, if it breaks above this area, then we're looking at something else potentially. We're looking at a buy position potentially up to here. But again, with that move, with that dollar index pushing upwards, it's going to push all these cryptos down. So pretty hesitant to buy anything in the crypto markets right now. I'm mostly just looking at shorting positions if it makes sense, if the risk to reward is there, if the structure is there, lower lows, lower highs, all that technical stuff. So that is my take on Tron TRX. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.